Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani, and welcome to the morning brief. Let's get started. So yesterday we saw Nifty 17,600 thereabouts, so slightly lower than that. 17,592 is where Nifty shut shop. 38,466.75 is where Nifty Bank shut shop. 0.6% down and 1.3% down was Nifty. So let's see where the Nifty is positioned this morning. This morning, again, SGX Nifty is pointing to a 20 points cut. So clearly, I mean, there is some cloud over the bulls as of now. Looking at the charts as such, we see 17,850 as a resistance point and the next major level at 18,000. And looking at the support zone, 17,200 and 17,000 are the two major levels on the lower side. Nifty open interest picture showing a future, showing a short built up. Looks like this cycle has to evolve. There's not much clarity as of now with respect to the shorts. As far as the OI picture on the options front is concerned, we have 17,550 thereabouts is the fair price. So we are seeing 17,800 and 18,000 are the two major levels on the higher side. And 17,500, there's a mild support zone, and 17,000 is the next major level on the lower side. So major support on the lower side continues to be 17,000. And on the higher side, it's 18,000 and intermittent resistance at around 17,800. Looking at the Bank Nifty pointing to kind of a mixed bag situation. We are seeing a inside body candle there. 38,000 major support zone, and as far as the resistance is concerned, 39,850 and 40,000 are the two major levels on the higher side. As far as the OI picture is concerned, we saw some amount of long unwinding, but not much clear picture coming out here. We are getting a mixed bag situation, so let's wait and watch how it pans out. As far as the OI picture from the options front is concerned, you have 39,000 and 40,000 are the two major levels for Bank Nifty as such. 40,000 on the higher side, you're seeing clearly a strong built up in calls, and 39,000 on the lower side is the support zone, what we are seeing. Looking at the top gainers and losers, GMR Infra, Ashok Leyland, Tata Com, and losers is Z Limited, Hindalco, and PEL. That's Piramal Enterprises. Okay, and the index contribution, most of them are on the negative side. So 44 points on the negative end is from the private banks, 60 points on the negative end is from IT, 11 points on the negative end is from metals, 22 points negative from NBFC, 64 points negative from oil. You were seeing marginal positive from telecom and PSU banks. Looking at the built up, auto, cap goods, infra on the long side. You have on the short side auto ancillaries, Bank Nifty stocks, cement, FMCG. Moving on, looks like I think there could be some positive momentum in Tata Com. So again, 1300 happens to be a stiff point. Above that, 1335 and 1400 is the two major levels. 1140 and 1100 happen to be the two supports for Tata Com. I think the major resistance, psychological resistance, are close to 1300. So you are seeing some amount of longs there in the on the OI front. Let's look at the options picture. On the options front, we are seeing 1300 as a stiff resistance point, as pointed out earlier on also, and some marginal support zone at 1250. So on the beyond that, it's 1200 on the lower side. So that's the major support zone, 1200, as far as the put OI is concerned. And looking at the other stock, TCS mild on the negative bench. Ports. So that's that. No major securities in the ban list. And this is the summary, 17,200, 17,000, 17,850, 18,000. Bank Nifty trading range, 39,000, 38,500, 39,850, 40,000 on the higher side. Sectoral long built up, auto, infra, cap goods. Sectoral short built up, auto, ancillary, cement, FMCG. Tatacom and TCS are already discussed. Ban list, none of the stocks are there in the ban list. As far as we give out stocks, but I would like to highlight to you that this is for an educational purpose. And as we move along, I would suggest that you consult your financial advisor also before participating in the derivatives market, and follow everything with a strict stop loss and strict discipline. That's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and thank you.